Good morning everyone. In the previous class we have discussed about the cloud computing challenges. Okay, that's the last topic in the unit 1. Okay, today we start the new chapter, that is the cloud computing technologies and applications. Okay, cloud computing technologies and applications. Okay, what are the applications and what are the technologies comes under cloud computing. Okay, we discuss about that topics. Okay, here the first topic in this chapter we discuss today is the cloud computing. In cloud computing, IT as a service. Okay, CC in cloud computing, IT as a service. Okay, IT means the information technology. Okay, IT ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Information technology. Okay, okay, here through cloud computing we can access the information andre IT services. Okay, we can access the IT services through web portal. Web portal ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು IT services ಅಂದ್ರೆ information technologies resource ಅಂದ್ರೆ so services na ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ತಗೋಬಹುದು, we can use. Okay, here through cloud computing we access some basic necessities. Okay, to build a virtual data center. Okay, ಒಂದು virtual data center na ನಾವು build ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ virtual data center okay na build ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ we use some basic necessities. Okay, through what we get through cloud computing. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು basic necessities ಅಂದ್ರೆ the CPU ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, memory ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, okay, storage ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, web application services ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, databases ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. Okay, these are the basic necessities or the resources. Okay, by using these resources, okay, what we will do, we will build a platform. Okay, ಒಂದು platform na ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, create ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. Okay, that's all and soul we call it as IT as a service. Information technology as a service. Okay, in all and soul ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರೀತೇವೆ, IT as a service. Okay, I'll give some points on this. Okay, write it down. First point, through cloud computing, the internet allow us to buy IT services through web portal. Okay, from cloud computing we can access from cloud computing we can access following basic necessities. Okay, necessities to build virtual data center. Okay, to build virtual data center. Okay, the virtual andre what are all the basic necessities antandre there's a CPU. Okay, CPU, next memory. Okay, CPU ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, memory ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, likewise storage ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, and then web application sensors ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. Okay, web application sensors. Okay, so through these basic necessities, okay, through these resources what we build a platform, okay, whole and soul, it is called as, okay, CC platform na build ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ through these resources. Okay, whole and soul, what we call it as IT as a service. Okay, here it has some layers. Okay, what the cloud IT as a service illi it has some, using this cloud computing, the IT will act as a service. Okay, it has some layers. Those are the infrastructure as a service. Okay, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅದು ಅಂದರೆ IT as a service, IT as a service, okay, has following layers. Okay, it has some following layers. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸ್. ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ IaaS, as IaaS. Okay, next is platform as a service, that is PaaS, PaaS. Next is software as a service, that is called SaaS. Okay, first one is infrastructure as a service. Next one is platform as a service. Next layer ಯಾವುದು, last layer, the software as a service. Okay, that is SaaS. Okay, software as a service, that is SaaS. Okay, platform as a platform, PaaS andre platform as a service. Okay, here IaaS ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is infrastructure as a service, infrastructure as a service. Okay, in the next class we discuss the infrastructure as a service, different layers ಏನ್ functions ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ next class ಅಲ್ಲಿ discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. Today we only discussed about the what the IT as a service. Okay, IT as a service, cloud computing ಅಲ್ಲಿ IT as a service ಒಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಇಯರ್ ಹೇಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್, ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ನ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಓಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೋಲ್ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಎಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, IT ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, 3 main layers, that is the IaaS, as PaaS, PaaS, PaaS. Next one is SaaS, that is software as a service. Okay, so this topic we end up this session. Okay.